Eat your food. Ay. Lupang. Want your juice? Yeah? Blow your nose. Total, gusto mo naman mag-isa na lahat eh. Oh. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. Blow your nose! Sige, I'm gonna video you first and then
Please
we go.
be careful, love. How are you gonna break?
Love,
With your paa, okay?
I'm gonna put it back in the bag, okay?
Hello! Wow, bicycling. Cycling. And there's Jaron. I hope you can see him.
I think, yeah. Look in front, The what?
My birthday party's here.
Sa Vienna Kids Farm kami.
Wanna walk? Yeah?
Bike lang kami. What, baby?
what's this
Oh, that's a tractor.
Mga butterflies. What's this?
Tractor. You want water and cracker? You want cracker, baby?
Water, love. Let's see.
Dali lang ha. Pag nandun na tayo, I'll give him. Sharon, the baby is walking. You have to walk also, Shao. Baby is walking, anak.
Mama,
Yes, baby?
Tete,
Yeah, you wanna walk?
yeah,
Yeah, you come. Let's walk. Oh,
Mama.
you hold Mama's hand.
Give me the truck. Give me the bus.
Give Papa the bus and the truck and then we will walk.
Truck lang talaga, no?
Oo. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Ibang pambihira yung bus na yan pag nawala yan. Ay, merong bayad. 250. May bayad. Tapos late na tayo. Wiwi! Okay lang. Mura lang naman. Sa, oh?
The whole acres.
Wow.
3 or 6 acres.
Saan magbabayad? Yeah, you can play there. Yeah, you can play there. Yay! We're not even... Do you want to see the animals first before you... You want to play already? Okay, go. Patay. Hindi na natin makikita mga animals.
Mama,
Yes, sweetheart. Oh, yeah, okay. Come, let's go. Yeah, the cars. There are Bobby cars. Yeah, hello. Yeah, you go inside the door again. There's no door there. Only on the other side. Mama, go inside the door?
Yeah.
Or Papa? Nagbayad ka? Wala namang bayad si Jaron, di ba? 1 year old, mayroong bayad? Weh, grabe naman to. Ha?
Mamaya, pakita sa'yo. Sa mga ayun.
Jaron, there's a goat. Look, you want to see the goat? Come, baby. Let's see the goat. There's a goat there. Ah! Lumalapit sila. Lush, how, baby? Hello. Hello. Lumalapit sila. Sana yata to sa mga tao.
Kain.
Oo. But we don't have anything for you. Jaron siya. Jaron.
Mata, no? Oh my God.
Hello. Woo!
Pupuntangin.
Hello. I don't have food for you. I know you want food. Hello.
Tapos may cow.
Where?
Ito.
Oh, they're together. Asan yung anak mo? Hello. Where? Yeah. I think they are, ano. Hello. Pag wala kang pagkain, ayaw nila eh. Oh, they're just following you because of the food. I don't have food. I'm so sorry. They're just following them because they have food. Oh my god. Video, come here. Just playing. I know, Jeron. No. No, 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 baby. Leave sign. You don't hurt other children, Jeron. Yeah. Oh, where's that? Naglalaro lang, ganun lang sila. They're just playing here. This is children's and they're just there playing. And you can touch them, you can feed them, and they follow you. If you feed them, they will follow you. Grabe. They don't bite, seems like. So nice. So crazy. Sharon, you want to see chick? No, no, no! You're the baby. Go get the baby.
Go get the baby.
Baby, yeah. Up, up. Oh, Papa. Videoan mo kami. Can you take a picture of us?
Yes. 1, 2. Jeron.
Jeron, look at Papa.
1, 2. Ayan. Isa pa 1, 2.
The baby. Hello. I don't have food for you. Hello. Hello. The baby. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Hello, baby. Hello. 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 Let's see there. Let's see.
May pony and may donkey, but they're inside the shed. Ay, lumabas.
Hello, ba?
Meh.
Binibidyohan mo pa. Good for you. They know, love. They have been fed. They know.
Of course. Nagbabait yan, love.
I'm so amazed.
He just jumped over. He just jumped over.
Baba.
Yung chicken care nandoon. Chicken na lang. That's it. Yung pony na... Ayan yung donkey yata.
Oh, nene.
What's this? What's that, Jeron?
What's
A
that?
donkey. Ayan, love.
Oh my God. Picturean mo kami.
Sige. Oh my God. 1, 2. So 1, 2. Okay.
Nene.
Wow. Hello, donkey. Daw?
Hello. Nene, donkey. Alan, nene, donkey. Hello, nene, donkey. Hello.
Laki ng horse, no? Pony yan. Malaki.
This is a pony. Ano?
Love, that's a donkey.
A donkey.
This is the pony.
A horse. Pony?
Yeah.
That's a horse. A pony pala? Wow. Paula.
That's a big pony.
Langsam mabaya, Jeron. Okay, lip sign. You can touch, but you have to be lip sign, like Papa, okay? Hello, sweetheart. Hello, beautiful horse. Ang ganda naman ng horse na to.
Babae ba lalaki?
Ah,
Eh.
parang babae, walang ano eh.
Okay, love. I
Sabi
think we
niya.
have to leave na.
Sabi niya, wala naman kayo pinapakain sa akin. Makabalik na nga. Hello!
Baka binili nila ito. Kasi walang ibang
Hello.
cows.
Kabibili lang.
Or as a baby or something. Kasi walang ibang cows eh.
Yeah. That's our adventure in this farmland. Jeron, let's go.
Give me some chibi? No. Yeah, come on.
Let's go to the Spielplatz, baby.
Oh yeah, give me some Spielplatz, Ron.
Let's go buy ice cream. Let's go buy ice cream. Ako, patay kang bata ka.
Oh, but we have to look.
Yeah.
Kasama naman sila.
Let's go, baby. Bakit kasi late natin? We'll come back here, baby. We'll come back here tomorrow, promise. Patay kang bata ka. Yeah. Pabike na kami. This is Mama's bike. This is Tatum. And that is Robert's bike with Jeron. Jeron, let's go. Yeah, let's go to the car. Tawag niya car lahat. Yeah, that's hot, people.